This week, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, approved a ruling to enable certain hearing aids to be purchased without a prescription. This action will go into effect October 17, 2022, and will likely have a substantial impact on millions of Americans. It is estimated that over 30 million individuals in the United States alone suffer from some degree of hearing impairment. It is the third most common chronic condition in older adults. As many older adults do not undergo routine hearing screening, many of those with a wide range of hearing loss do not receive adequate amplification. Hearing loss in one or both ears is the most commonly identified congenital condition in newborn babies. Up to 1 in 300 newborns have some degree of hearing loss at birth. Until the late 1990s, when nearly all states began requiring newborn hearing screening in the first weeks of life, many children with hearing loss were not appropriately evaluated and treated until elementary school or even later into their teen years. Untreated hearing loss can be associated with communication, speech, and learning issues, social isolation, frustration, and depression. And while there are myriad causes of hearing loss, ranging from genetics to aging, use of hearing aids can be life-changing at any age. But access, costs, and the need for frequent visits to specialists has led to significant roadblocks for millions. Not to mention the stigma of hearing aids being associated with old age or a physical difference. All of these hindrances translates to over 80% of Americans, from babies to adults, who would benefit from hearing aids missing out. Having hearing aids available to the consumer without the need for a prescription from an audiologist or ear, nose and throat specialist, otolaryngologist, will provide substantial improvement in access, substantial reduction in cost, and very likely substantial reduction in stigma. Dr. Sujana Chandrasekhar, otolaryngologist and partner at ENT and Allergy Associates, shares her optimism regarding this decision. Even mild hearing loss, if unremediated, is associated with isolation, depression, and anxiety, and untreated hearing loss is the #1 preventable cause of dementia. Sh.